Okay, we have a Haas vertical machining center model VF3YT, serial number 1135804. This machine was new in 2007 and we are going to run it for you. Machine is running actually now 2500 RPM. It goes up to 8100. This machine has a CAD 40 spindle with a 20 tool change, automatic tool changer, umbrella style. 5,000. Machine also has the Haas NextGen control with a lot of options: extended memory, 1 GB, rotation and scaling, macros, compensation tables, spindle orientation, all sorts of things. 7,500. We are going to simulate a tool change. Machine has telescopic weight, covers all axes. The table is T-slotted, 54 by 25. You have 40 inches of X travel, 26 of Y, and 25 of Z. Machine also has the Renishaw Intuitive Programming System, the WIPS. And we have the probe. All the axes are quiet. And this is original paint. Okay. Thank you for watching our video.